Introduced cocoa, the management of the cocoa sector in terms of the number of farms, their farm sizes, the locations, average ages of cocoa trees, and soil nature has been based on merely guesswork and assumption, a situation Cocoa Board says makes planning and management of the sector very difficult. Though data shows that the cocoa sector has about 800,000 households, the data cannot be said to be accurate because it is not scientifically gathered. This is why the Ghana Cocoa Board has rolled out an innovative mechanism to gather data of cocoa farmers in the country. It will cover the number of cocoa farmers in the country, the managers of the farms, their dependents, farm sizes, and nature, soil type, as well as the exact locations of the farms. Dubbed the Cocoa Management System, the exercise will collect detailed information on cocoa farmers and their farms, as well as other stakeholders operating in the sector. It will help provide Cocoa Board and the government with concrete data of the sector and also better manage it. About 1.2 million cocoa farmers are expected to be captured under the Cocoa Management System. The Chief Executive of Cocoa Board, Mr. Joseph Boahin Edu, said the database will also help with forecasting and introduction of interventions in the sector.
Without a farmer database, without information, how do you plan? How do you even, come out with policies? How do you support the farmers to bring about their best in their various practices?
The Deputy Minister for Food and Agriculture, Mr. George Udro, said the management system will bring transformation to the cocoa sector. The president of the Cocoa, Coffee and Shea Nut Farmers Association, Alhaji Alhassan Bukari, pledged support to government to come up with innovations in the sector.
Most importantly, we would like to restate our appreciation for the introduction of the living income differential, which has significantly improved our income this year, despite COVID-19 forcing prices down at the world market.
The Vice President, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, said the cocoa management system is a game changer for the sector.
For the first time, every program, every policy intervention plan and projection, every infrastructural development needed in cocoa growing areas will be based on verified data.
He said government will soon introduce a pension scheme for cocoa farmers.
The board and the management have been working with the economic management team for the last almost year and a half or so. We've been working on introducing the cocoa farmers pension scheme. And I think that they've done an excellent job at that, and we're about to launch it. The work is completed now.
The farmers will be issued with a card linked to the National Identification System, which will be a primary identity for the purposes of input supplies, the provision of extension and other agronomy services, and the purchase of beans, among others.